In this video, I will show you how to turn your old discarded bottles into a vertical farm or garden. You will need your empty bottles. Just make sure they're the type where the bottleneck is 28 millimeters wide. There are two different ways to do this. You could either use a drill and a drill bit, or a blowtorch and a wrench socket. Just make sure that the drill bit or socket wrench is the same diameter as the top of the bottle. A standard size drill bit, a pair of pliers, a craft knife, black and white spray paint, dirt, and if you want to keep the farm indoors, some waterproof glue or sealant. First, we need to prepare the bottles. Start by applying an undercoat of black paint to the bottles. Allow that to dry and then apply a coat of white paint on top. This will keep the plant's roots safe from UV radiation and also to encourage the plant's roots to grow out rather than into the bottle. Next, we need to modify the bottles so water can flow through them. Turn your bottles upside down and create a hole in its base. Depending on which method you chose, you could either drill through or heat up the socket wrench and melt through. Make sure to hold the socket wrench with the pliers as it will become very hot, and watch out for those fumes. If you are having trouble drilling the bottles, you can fill them with water and freeze them first, so they are more solid and easier to drill. Now take the standard size drill bit and make 3 holes in the cap of each bottle in a triangle shape. Next, cut circular holes in the sides of the bottle for the plants to grow through. Depending on the size and shape of the bottles, you will need to adjust the size of the holes so that the bottle maintains its rigidity, and also to make sure it's high enough to give the plant's roots space to grow. Now, all that's left to do is attach the bottle farm together. Place the neck of the bottle into the hole we cut in the base, and screw the cap back on so that it holds them together. Repeat this step until the bottle farm is the desired height. Finally, fill the bottles up halfway with dirt. If your bottle farm is going outside, you are finished. However, if you are keeping the bottle farm inside, you need to apply waterproof glue or sealant to the area where the bottles connect. And put a large bottle at the bottom to collect the water you pour through. And make sure that this bottle is at least as big as the bottle that you plan to water with. Now you can pour water into the top bottle to water the whole stack. From here, you can plant your seeds and your vertical farm is ready to go. You are now ready to enjoy your new finished vertical garden.